To keep you updated on the capital and financial markets, here is a recap of what happened.
India's markets regulator on the 18th of July proposed a series of changes to mutual fund scheme rules, including allowing asset managers to offer both value and contra funds under certain conditions. The Securities and Exchange Board of India, in a consultation paper published on its website, suggested permitting mutual funds to offer both value and contra funds provided the overlap in their investment portfolios does not exceed 50%. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission is prepared to work with the Labor Department to establish guardrails for investors if they gain greater access to private markets in retirement plans, the agency's chief said in a CNBC interview on the 21st of July. "We can work with the Department of Labor to help to have good guardrails for people to offer greater access to private markets for individual investors," SEC Chairman Paul Atkins said when asked about reports that President Donald Trump plans to sign an executive order to make private firm investments more accessible in retirement plans. The Philippine Securities and Exchange Commission is enforcing stricter registration timelines and reducing fees to encourage more companies to raise capital through the local stock market, a move that is part of a broader push to expand and deepen participation in the Philippine capital markets. "Our goal for the Philippine capital market is clear: increase market participation to bring it up to par with our peers in the Southeast Asian region," SEC Chairman Francis Lim said. The SEC will streamline processes and provide discounts or incentives where possible in order to encourage more businesses to tap the capital market, enabling them to unlock their full growth potential through diverse financing options, he added. An initial 1.1 billion Singapore dollars will be allocated to 3 asset managers to invest in the Singapore stock market, in a move aimed at deepening market liquidity and rebuilding investor confidence, the Monetary Authority of Singapore said on the 21st of July. The 3 fund managers are Evander Investment Management, Fullerton Fund Management and JP Morgan Asset Management, with the next batch of fund managers expected to be announced by the fourth quarter of 2025. Speaking at a press conference, MAS Deputy Chairman Chee Hong Tat said it is not just about injecting funds into the Singapore market, but developing the fund management industry. The National Scam Response Centre will be strengthened with the inclusion of the Domestic Trade and Cost of Living Ministry and the Securities Commission Malaysia. Home Minister Datuk Seri Saifuddin Nasution Ismail said the ministry's involvement was important in matters involving the Companies Commission of Malaysia and SC brought expertise in oversight of capital markets. He said this expansion was vital as the centre currently handled about 500 calls per day. This move aims to strengthen the centre, and with the inclusion of these 2 additional agencies, on top of the existing 4, NSRC will be better positioned to fulfill its role, he said. FIMM is pleased to announce the release of its latest annual report, now available on its official website. Link in the description. The FIMM Annual Convention is coming back. Stay tuned for updates and save the date. We look forward to seeing you there.
This has been the FIMM TV Weekly Recap. Be informed, stay updated. Be sure to like, share and subscribe.